For the time you shouldn't have had that third roller hot dog at the greasy convenience store. Just remember, power pull down. For that time you think your wife might have put laxative in your traveler because you were supposed to take her and your mother-in-law to Bed Bath and Beyond, but went fishing instead. Power pull down. For when the brown trout starting its migration south, or when you get that feeling like it's time to dump the live well. Who's there for you? Power pull down. But mainly, and most important of all, for when nature calls, just remember, power pull down.